Very nice. One more and then Nelson will do it, okay?
Yeah.
Do a little bit of yes, good. Very nice. थोड़ा stretch करो. Very nice, Apurva. Perfect. Really good. So Nelson, you take the other steps. Then you got इनको Apurva को दे दो तो he will. So you can even do it from this side and this side. So maybe do this and this.
Yeah.
Okay, the low ones. Good. So these are which threads? Mono threads.
Mono thread.
Yes. Push it, Nelson. Push it. Very nice. Good. So we are actually doing. We did jawline. We did the polylactic acid. We did threads. We did. We're going to do micro Botox, and now we're doing mono threads for the fatty layer, and we'll also be doing lipolytic agents. Good, Nelson. So last two, right? Very good, Nelson. Perfect. Nelson, just go push it. Don't need to twist it.
Okay.
I know your endo thing. Yes, your endo skills are coming in your head, but okay, good job. So we will.
Wow.